Hello guys, thanks for coming to this channel. I'm Jan Salbert and today I want to show you how I color grading my video using Color Finale in Final Cut Pro 10. Okay, move to the timeline of this project. I have footage here with Sony A7R Mark III. I shoot an HLG2 because it's different color space with this timeline. It's record 709 and using HDR tools and convert this HLG2 record 709, and this has nice contrast. As you can see, it's clipped. We have a strong green here and it affects her skin. Okay, I want to use this scope. Okay, these video scopes I use a lot is waveform, RGB overlay and vector scope. Okay, I should choose this hero shot over here, and let's move to the adjustment layer. If you install the Color Finale, you'll find the base grid and look grid over the titles. Okay, we've done here. Choose the Color Finale Pro. This is my workflow and I usually do this. Okay, I just color wheels. So the first thing, I make sure the exposure is correct and white balance is correct. Okay, I just want to pull it out. Okay, and then I should check the white balance of her shirt. Her clothes is green cast over here, and I need to mask in this footage using this one. Yes, it works. Okay, it works. Okay, around here. Then I choose the waveform RGB parade. You can see over here, and I just tweak these things. Okay, you can play zigzag over here, so it's pretty even, and the green is okay, maybe around here, and let's check it out. Okay, we have pretty even. Okay, something like this. Okay, as you can see, the green is too high between the other side, and I just fix this. Okay, before after. Now I move to the curves to add some contrast. Okay, we have strong contrast here, and okay, you can see the difference. The green cast over her skin, and we just fix it and move to the curves. I add some contrast to it. Okay, this is the best grade, so nothing much to do here. Okay, maybe I should give this little shadow over here and put down the shadow. Because it has a backlight, we have nice flare over here. I shoot with 35mm. Okay, go to the layer and move it down a little bit, so the image not wash out maybe a little bit. Okay, around here. Okay, we've done the base grade. The next thing is the look grade. Okay, let's give the Color Finale Pro in this layer, and I really love the 6 vector here, so I choose the vector scope so I can see her skin over here. And just the green, because green is too much, so I need to put it down, maybe a little bit, like okay, around -500. And now if you can see in the vector scope, I can change her skin to the guideline. Okay, maybe around here, and I just put the saturation up so the skin pop up, and maybe some lighting to make the skin glow up. Okay, does it affect another clip? Okay, cool. And the last one. Okay, it's even in this guide, so this I just do the next thing. Okay, green affect her skin and the leaves over this background. Okay, I want to have nice green. Okay, if we're done here, let's see the difference. And the last update, we have a log wheels and camera metric. I really love this with this feature, and this I use a lot when I choose the look, log wheels and camera metric. Let's see what he can do. If we pull the saturation up, it contains okay, like a magenta on her skin, so let's move it. Okay, in between the guide and pull it up, so the color is has a nice blending. Okay, the next is I use the log wheels, so I want to put the offset to blue, so we have vibes, cool vibes around here. Okay, something like that, and put down the highlight. It just affect around the 75 to 100, so you can see that. Okay, then move to the yellowish, and the midtones, I'm not going to change this thing, but I move this around to the orange, or maybe so I can look at the vector scope. Okay, around here, and the shadow, I need to put it down first maybe, and choose the blue. Okay, maybe it's okay, not under 0. I don't want to lose the details of the image, so maybe around here, and put the shadow to the blues or cyan. Okay, around here, and now curves. Okay, add some contrast and a little up to faded the image. Okay, maybe you find this strange or something, you can always going to the opacity and maybe around 50. Okay, blue shadow. Okay, I want this line Okay, you want to add some red, maybe a little bit, not too much. Okay, what he can do is like this. Okay, we've done the correction, we have done the grading, and I want to check another footage. Okay, we're good, and now I want to put in this group secondary correction look, and now I want to put the vignette over the footage. Okay, you can go masking over here and choose ellipse option around here and put the feather around 90% and invert this, go to this one. Okay, you have the subtle. Okay, maybe around here, and now I want to make another curves for inside, so our model look pop out. Okay, okay, let's group this to vignette. Okay, we're good, and if you want to add more softness or something, you can always put another adjustment layer, but I think it's good for now. I just want to add more grain so it has a film look. I love Japanese, so it's inspired me to create this look. Okay, we have a film emulation in Color Finale, so this plugin is really good, and I really love this. Green enable, and around 30 maybe. Green size, maybe you can pull it up. Okay, color variation, green red, set to 2. Let's see how it looks. Okay, nice. We have a grainy footage. Okay, and the last thing, I just need to put aspect ratio bar. Okay, we've done the rendering things, and now let's play this video. Okay, good. Okay, this sweet. We have nice flare over here. I shoot at the midday, around 12 AM. It's really hot outside. Okay, we've done. So this is how I color grade my entire footage. First thing, I use the base grade to edit the exposure and color correction over the white balance. And second thing, I use the look grade to create the secondary correction. And this is the final result. Okay, thank you guys for staying, and this is how I color grading my entire project. I use the base grade to color correction, even the exposure, white balance, or secondary correction. When it comes to look grade, I use the secondary correction to make the subject talent pop or something. If you have any questions, just write the comment below and I always answer that. So if you don't understand, because my native language is not English, so I'm so sorry. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.